morning, guys. What's up? Today's another vlog and I'm excited about it. I'm all dressed for class and I thought it would be nice to take you guys along with me, since I tried showing you guys what my school looked like the other day and it just started raining heavily. So today I'm going to be doing that because there's no rain, there's a lot of sunshine, and I hope it remains that way before I get to the mainland. Okay, so the only thing I'll be showing you guys in this vlog would be the building, you know, what the school looks like and what the classroom looks like. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my taxify guy to get here and you know I'll be on my way. So see you guys in school. Bye guys.
My name is Abiola Ajenda, and it's a pleasure and an honor to welcome you to the first day of the 2019 Betha Arts Festival. Today we have the Student Film Festival, where we get to screen a collection of student films. These are works of students of Betha and students from other film institutes.
My name is Asuna, and I started painting since I was 6. For me, color is everything that lights up the world. Growing up, the only thing I ever wanted to do was to paint. I ended up going to art and craft school, so that would be my life. But when I was there, my world began to lose its colors. My retina got damaged from industrial and chemical environmental pollution. Emission of carbon monoxide from power generators and automobiles has greatly contributed to my inability to differentiate between colors in their natural. I am Heteropia, color blindness.
Wow.
Simple tasks such as choosing clothes and assignments became more challenging.
Guys, I'm leaving. This is my friend OG. His name is Ovie. I thought we were going to have classes today. Let me just stay here. Sunny. I thought we were going to have classes today, but apparently we're having the movie festival, Pefti Film Festival, something. I'm going to leave now. I'm taking you guys to the market because I have a plan of doing so I put myself on a budget of 1,500 naira for dinner. So I'm trying to see if I can use 1,500 to make dinner for myself and my brother and my sister as well. So I want to see what I can get for 1,500. I'll show you guys whatever it is that I eventually get in the market. I'm craving semi-ripe plantain. I want to have plantain and sauce. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be getting. So I'm going to take you guys. No, I'm not going to take you guys with me to the market because it's rowdy. So I'm just going to. I'm going to show you guys whatever it is that I buy, and we'll probably make the meal together, and it will be a wrap from there. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Okay, I bought these plantains for 600 naira. It's not so much, but I don't think this is the season for plantain, so it's in the sink because I just want to wash it up and boil it. Then I'm also going to be making the fish sauce. Let me show you guys the fish I got, and let's see if we're still on track with our budgeting. This is the fish I got. This is smoked Panla fish, and I got this fish for 200 naira. It's 4 pieces of fish. I got this for 200 naira. And then I also got this tomato and pepper. I got this for 150 from my customer, so the guy just put so much. I'm not going to be using all of the pepper because pepper is way more than the tomato, so I'll just use all of the tomatoes and some of the pepper. Then I also got these onions for 15 naira. They're actually 4 bulbs of onions, so I took out 2. I'll use that later, but this is what I'll be using now. So let's calculate that. The plantain goes for 600, the fish 200, that's 800. This is 150, that's 950 naira. And then our onions for 50 naira, that's 1000 naira. So I still have a balance of 500 naira. That's not bad. I want this to be a very, very quick and simple meal, so I'm just going to get to it because I'm so tired from class and I don't have strength to spend more than 30 minutes or 1 hour in this kitchen. So let's just get to it. After washing them, all I did was to cut each of them into halves, and I just poured water into the pot that will be almost at the same level with the plantain. I did not add anything, no salt, nothing. So I'm just going to let this boil away for about 15 minutes while I get to my peppers and my fish. Guys, I always like to take the head off. I don't like this part of the fish, so that's what I'm doing. Open it into 2, take out the dirt and the bone. Really easy. Take out the bone like so. Now our tomatoes are properly washed, so all I'm going to do now is to blend this up in the blender. Guys, our plantain has been boiling for well over 25 minutes on high heat, so it's ready. All I'm going to do now is take it down, drain the water and get to the sauce. Okay, our oil is hot now. All I'm going to do is to add the onion. So you just allow the onions to bring out that first aroma that comes out from it in hot oil. Once it produces that aroma, if you cook a lot, you should know the aroma I'm talking about. Then I'm going to pour in my tomato puree. Now we're just going to let this fry for a little bit and continue from there. Our tomato has been frying really nicely, so what I'm going to add into this now is the fish. I'm also going to be adding some curry powder at this point. and thyme. Now I'm going to throw in my seasoning cubes. Our sauce is frying nicely, so all I'm going to do now is to add some water to it. I'm just going to add, not so much, just a little bit. I'm just going to add a little salt to this. You want to be careful with your salt so that you don't oversalt your food. If you have some vegetables you want to add, this is the right time to add it, but I'm not going to be adding vegetables to mine just because I don't want anything that's going to cut my stomach. So and that's it, guys. Our sauce is ready, so I'm just going to dish this now. Guys, dinner is served. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this. Have you ever tried this dish before? Are you ever going to try it now because you've seen me do it? Just let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.